G'day! Well, in this video, I'm not sharing anything groundbreaking or new or amazing for you, but what I am doing is asking for your help. So please, let's get a discussion going in the comments and let me know if I'm on the right track. Okay, so what it is over the last few years, I've been using Adobe Premiere Pro to edit my videos. And I really like it because it integrates well with the other apps within the suite, such as Photoshop, Lightroom, After Effects, and so on. But recently, Adobe hit me with a price increase on my subscription, going from around about $50 New Zealand per month, right up to about $78 New Zealand per month. Now that's quite a substantial price increase. And while I've been willing to pay around $600 per year for software I don't actually own, the fact of the new price increase makes it a little bit harder to swallow. So what I've noticed is that here in New Zealand you can pick up Blackmagic Vinci Resolve for $549 and they throw in a free speed editor. So not only do you pay once and you own the software, you also get a little bit of cream on top of that extra hardware. So that has given me some food for thought about whether or not I want to unchain myself from the shackles of Adobe's subscription price increases and move to a software platform that I can pay for up front, own it and use it. And I think it actually sounds really appealing, but I'm just still holding off. The reason is I don't know Vinci Resolve and I'm a little bit worried about the learning curve about using a new software platform for editing my videos. But having said that, you only have to learn it once and then you know it. So that's not particularly worrisome, but I'm also concerned about things like whether or not there'll be updates or support for the app and whether or not I'll still get the functionality out of it in 5 years' time. And if we snap back to Adobe real quick, I'm not so much worried about the price increase this time around, although it is quite substantial, but what I'm doing is looking ahead, wondering what the future increases may be. And I can see a time in the future where I'll be looking back at this exact moment thinking to myself, why on earth didn't you make the change when you had the chance at that time? And now look, you're hundreds if not thousands of dollars in the hole and you still don't have software you own and you're still chained to that subscription model with the price increasing annually as you renew your membership. I know that watching right now will be people who use Premiere Pro and other people who use Vinci Resolve. So what I want to know from you is, have you used Premiere Pro and changed to Vinci Resolve? Have you always used Premiere Pro? Would you never change? Have you always used DaVinci? Do you find it great? Could you let me know in the comments so I've got some confidence about the decision I'm about to make? Look, I know it's not that much of a big deal. It's probably 6 of one and half a dozen of the other. But what I'm looking for from you is some really strong arguments about why I should go one way or another. Do you think I should stay on the subscription model and just shell out the extra cash that Adobe demand from us? Or do you think I should just cut the ties with Premiere and shift over to Vinci Resolve and just be done with it, pay once, own it and enjoy it? That's it. I'm just asking for your help. Should I stay or should I go? Vinci Resolve or Premiere Pro? Which way is it gonna be? Help me out here. Tell me what I should do. You know, you're a DaVinci user. Tell me what I'm in for. You're a Premiere Pro user. Tell me to stay. I don't know, whichever way you think, I want to hear it from you. I really appreciate your help. And also, thanks a lot for watching. I'm going to catch you next time. Bye.